with quick ways on how you can optimize your e-commerce product page to boost your conversion rate optimization. Because that the trend of e-commerce pages have ever been evolving, and more companies are setting up their new e-commerce stores, and new companies are trying to set up the e-commerce campaign online to generate more sales. But one important aspect of generating more sales, apart from campaign optimization on Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or whatever your traffic acquisition strategies, but the second part is optimizing the user experience on your landing page. I have personally witnessed ample of cases where we can multiply our sales without even increasing our ad spend, but rather focus on our landing page optimization, and that can do wonders. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few of the examples on few of the landing pages which I like, the product pages to be accurate and to be, to have a precise information. So let me show you a few of the pages which I like, and I wanted to show you as well. I did a research on Shopify as well, on what kind of pages they work. So this is one kind of an page, product page. You can see over here, over there is a product being shown. You can see the first aspect of any e-commerce optimized page is the loading time. The faster it gets loaded, the quicker you can generate conversions, because I do not want my user to think about something else while they are opening my page. So that is my number one important aspect element. The second, you can see over here the reviews are coming over here, and showing your reviews, or is also increase the trust and authenticity of your product. You can see over here delivery every 30 days, every 60 days, so that can recurring sale model or buy once. So I like this, the recurring model, where the customer do not have to sign up or come on the order page automatically, but rather this is done all automatic. So this can generate sales as well. Another thing you need to keep in mind is that your major information is being delivered on your landing page without scrolling much. You should see the landing product page reviews, and I think that the pricing in this column should also be visible without even scrolling. But yeah, it's little acceptable. I also wanted some authenticity, like social media proof, something. Okay, this is not over here, but you can see the reviews over here, and which can have an added trust. And let me show you another one as well. So this one is all famous Amazon landing page we have all seen, and I think it's a very good example of a product page. And other thing which I like about the product page is that they give you other options as well to give on. And I have seen other scenarios where on Amazon, when you are buying something, you can see that people who have bought this thing also bought this product as well. So that can also increase your trust, and upsells. You can generate more upsells through that as well. This is another landing page. You can see over here that you are being given ample of price variations, and then you can see the pricing over here. The pricing is above without scrolling, information being delivered over here. This is another one which I like. You need to see that the information is pinpoint to the and without scrolling you are getting the maximum information, and that should be the key over here as well. And then you can see that you are getting more, for bulk orders there is a discount running on that can increase upselling. Let me show you the website as well. For instance, this is a very famous website, and they sell undergarments and other products as well. For instance, if we go to the shop over here and we select the boy shorts, and you can see over here, another thing is over here is that they can you can have a 360 angle view of the product, so which is a very good aspect over here. You can select your size, you can select the pricing, you can select the reviews over here, and then choose the size plus do the add to cart. So this process is another good process as well, and that can also generate sales. But the thing is that everything should be like this scroll. You have to go a little scroll down, so that is a little turn off over here. And I also feel that adding a countdown timer over here can also generate sales, have a very good impact on this. So I hope you like few of the points which I think can increase your website conversions. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding